Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Holden's first Christmas.
Yay.
Let's go see what Santa.
I heard somebody downstairs. How you doing, Gigi?
Great. Merry
Alright.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Wonderful to be here.
Alright, let's see what happened downstairs here.
Who was here last night? Who was here?
Down the stairs we go.
Santa.
What's going on here?
What's that? What is all that?
What is all that, Holden?
Stanley.
Holden?
Stanley. Come here, dogs. Come here. Do you see your toy from Santa?
Whoa.
Look at that. He totally does too.
Mm-hmm.
What is that? Oh my gosh. Do you want to get in it? Huh? Look, he crawled right to it.
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
Look,
Holden.
there's deer droppings on the carpet.
Yeah,
I was like, what?
that's from a magic reindeer gold deer droppings.
Whoa!
You want to take his hat
Whoa.
off? Look at that. You got a new toy from Santa.
He's got that same funny chubby cheek expression.
All right.
God, you're cruising now, dude.
Ooh.
Start her up.
Flip pedal on. Start your engine.
Oh, whoa. Whoa. What do you think of that, buddy? Hey? Those are your first wheels.
Yeah, he's got that same look I figured he'd have.
Yeah.
From last night's lights.
Yeah.
I'm expecting laughing and jumping up and down, but that's as good as it gets.
What is that? Is that your blinker?
You're turning left or right. It don't matter.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
You can't be with us today.
Bye, Holden.
Bye, Dan. Megan.
Wish everybody was here.